So how could we rewrite this prompt here? Build an atom with 5 protons and 5 electrons to get to this goal of describing the sum of additive inverses.
We were talking about instead of giving them a specific build an atom with 3 protons and 3 neutrons, what was the net charge? Gets them to play around a little bit, but it's not really, it doesn't meet the goal of describing the sum of additive inverses. So then we talked about the updated prompt being building an atom with a net charge of -1 or a net charge of 0 and 1. And then how did you figure out the net charge from there?
Okay. So building an atom with a net charge of 0, or even adding in some other
And then giving
options.
it a negative and a positive and then 0, and then how did you get to that?
Okay.
How did you arrive to that at that net charge?
What do you guys think? We asked them to build an atom with a net charge of -1 or +1 or 0. Might get some different responses there. Did anyone have anything else a little bit different? Yeah.
So what do you notice when you add protons and electrons? How does this change the net charge?
How does that change the net charge?
And is it possible to have a net charge of 0?
I like that. Is it possible too? Because then they're like, I want to figure this out. I want to see if it's possible or not possible. That's a really nice. I forgot to mention that the other day with those sample prompt starters. Challenges like that, like, is it possible too? I think is nice because then it's like a game to them.